Hi guys, how's everyone? Thank you for being here. I am going to channel what comes through really. I have just been, it's quite late here in the evening, so I don't usually do videos this late. That's why Big Bright Light is on. But I am going to channel what is coming through. It's been coming through very strongly. It's a throat chakra clearing and activation, which has been coming through quite often in this past month or so. I think a lot of people are struggling to maybe be in their truth or speak their truth, or are just a little bit blocked in their throat, especially with the lockdown and wearing the masks. I find that's a really big thing. You know, it's symbolical, but it's also a physical blockage that we're having. By this, I'm not saying that people shouldn't be wearing a mask. It's still a respect thing, but they should be doing it willingly, not because they feel forced to do that. And regardless of that, I do feel that a little bit it does affect the third chakra. So perhaps if you guys have to keep a mask on the whole day or whatnot, maybe when you come on in the evening, a little bit work on your third chakra, because I find it's been quite necessary in these past few months. Yeah, with everything for the collective. So yeah. Katanaya siet kun arat kenat kun it ereti sionia men un in un an un kit otkatsiat kenot kanarat kin unate si konamiat kinariat kenot kanale siet konaria it kun at erodi in ut knari it kunale siat kuna it katolomat keniasiat kunati arete te siete tolomat kanotarayete inot kanarat kinotarati yati siat kunatati kesiete umaniat kenoda yasiat kinot kinere keseineit kunat kinatiat yat kianot knat kiat yarat katada zat katara ut kanarit kut krasar katayat kunarat kunat keskiot Aneat kino rasiet kino tkut kanariat kunat kenasiat kunat in on ariat kino nasiat kenatarat ke sonalea omanetaria munalasiat kunariat un isietele nit kona iara nona siemene unaraya olate kataya sikot kanare in unande sien unar ken arut kene it kun arayat kuna lasiet kino Mina sietere kola mitonasi utele ni un etelesi minutaria olati it konat kalasiet konat kenalasiat konat kanate ret keniti situlomat kalaya inoriane miskonaya anot keneriet kenotukotora ekymont kanaya tiliti sieteliti anitu keneyesie rimit konaliat yati nisikeni mit konayati nilisi uniti aliane sionialiti nimiti inemitini tikirati tolesi eneti letinariat kilieni tilominiania nunaria niania sianiara nania inariana la siet kenolayat klala layat knalaya nimisiet keniri enemit kenisiet inatina onatialia niasiana la ketieni rimit konaletisi inat konaliati nalisieti dinimit kniesiet eletoto la pat kunoara kedur katarasie inot kienelesi una mia Kinotiri ha breathe. Remember, why the breath is so important, why it keeps you in the moment, why going back to the breath is going back to the element of air, to the fundamental element of the four elements, earth, wind, fire, and water. Air in the breath and keeping you in the now, clearing the throat, clearing the third chakra, takanaya skiot late siat kunat karati telesiet konat kiarat kutkalasiet kona olat kanaritit konasiat kunarat kiesiet kelete siot ya ta Calling in the element of water, the water, clearing the throat. Olat kinoria siatkuna, flowing like the water, opening the chakra. The chakra flows like the water, Utkanara, skotkanara, oskanat kanarat, kunat kras, kutkarak, tak, skutarak, skratariatiala, onatkana, unanere isio, in anoneter, in unante neresiet, ikonaliatki enesiet, kene itkuna riatkul, ihore hatele siatkuna ratakena alha, halahatakala siatkala. From the heart. From the heart, from my heart to your heart, from the universal heart, from the universal love. Remember to breathe and to hydrate. Thank you. I love you.